Good day, class. Welcome to your virtual class. Today we are going to talk about climate. This is Chapter 10, Lesson 1, Section 1 from your Pearson Realize book. I am Miss Jihan Simón, your science teacher. Temperature and pressure affect weather, which can change often. Climate is a description of long-term weather patterns in an area, which are fairly consistent. Constraints affecting climate include latitude, or distance from the equator, as well as distances from large bodies of water. This is a picture that I downloaded from the NASA page, so you can observe how the sun's rays are hitting directly to the Earth's equator. Large bodies of water, like oceans, take longer to heat or cool than small bodies like lakes. This leads to mild seasons, especially near warm ocean currents. This is what we were talking about in class, if you remember. San Pedro Sula, Yohoa, and Tegucigalpa are not going to have the same weather. In the first place, we, San Pedro Sula, are very near a large body of water, and this is why our weather is hotter. Unlike Yohoa, which are near a body of water such as a lake, so their weather is going to be a little bit cooler. And Tegucigalpa, they are not near any body of water, so their weather is way cooler than us. Prevailing wind interactions with landforms like mountain ranges influence the average precipitation in an area. As air masses are forced to rise over mountains, they cool and precipitation forms. If you remember the water cycle, so vapor is less dense, so it has to go up. When it goes up, it cools and it comes down in the form of rain. These constraints lead to various climates around the world, including rainy tropical regions, dry regions, temperate marine regions, temperate continental regions, polar regions, and highlands. As we were discussing in our Google Classroom, in Honduras we have a rainy tropical climate. Scientists study climates to better understand how the atmosphere, water, land masses, and solar energy all interact within a climate. Gases in Earth's atmosphere help keep its overall climate patterns fairly stable. Greenhouse gases like water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide absorb much of the heat, leaving Earth's surface in a process known as the greenhouse effect. Without greenhouse gases, too much of Earth's thermal energy would escape into space, making Earth too cold to support life. This is a GIF of how greenhouses make a sort of shield that surrounds our Earth, and what they do is that they keep the energy from the sun inside our atmosphere. If the gases like methane, they rise or their levels are above normal, then our Earth is going to be more warm. And if these gases wouldn't exist, then our whole Earth would be just ice. It would not be compatible with our life, our human life. So guys, this was Section 1, Lesson 1. We are going to have a Zoom classroom Friday the 20th to discuss this section. So please read, do your assignments on Pearson Realize, and we are going to see each other soon.